Hi everyone. The only time I could go out this floor was when it was at night time, because the weekend I wasn't able to do anything. Now we've got all the timber up last Saturday when it was dry in the morning, and then all of a sudden, as soon as we got the timber up here, it started pouring down like crazy. So I've night time is the only time I can do anything. So far, that piece is done. That piece up there is done. I'm just going to cut now over there, and should be fine then. I was hoping to record it, but it's, in the dark and can't really see much in the dark. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. I'm probably going to do bits and parts of it now like this now, because I think next Saturday is supposed to be bad as well. So I was like, I'm not sitting here watching the timber getting wet and not doing anything with it. So, it is what it is. Yeah, better get back at it, and I'll show you the rest of it there when I'm finished. Oh, finally done it. I had to go for something to eat quickly, and I've just come out. Yeah, it's all finished. That's 2 sheets of plywood gone down. It's sturdy enough. What I've done all along here as well, I've put stuff 804 all around to stop any wind from blowing it all up. I might at some other time I might put a bit of cement under there as well, just to help with it. And of course, there's tiles that were left over from the house. I've reused them to help, strengthen, stop the wind from blowing it up. All I've got left to do is screw it all down, and that's it. My wife wants me to have a look at the light, because it keeps turning off after like 5 seconds. It's a pain in the ass. This is the way of setting it. I might have to get a ladder. Right. Talk to you all soon. Bye. Oh, I'll show. Well, it's not point in me showing. It's old school. You can't see it. But I'll continue the video tomorrow, hopefully, if the weather's nice in the evening. Alright, catch you all soon. Bye. Hi everyone. I'm in the dark again, as you can see. This is not actually the next day after the putting down the base. It's actually a couple of days later, because we had bad weather afterwards. And it's actually Friday now today, and finally got one wall up. I was gonna do the back, the wall facing the house, but it wasn't gonna work out right, because what I'd done, I measured 6 foot on both sides when I was doing it, and added on another stick, if you know what I mean. So it's more than 8 foot, which is, look, it's extra space. So I kind of had to start with this wall first, and then I'm going to move on with the next. I might even brace it here on both corners. I'll show you what I've done actually. 1 second now. So, stand back a bit, everyone. There we go. So that's one wall. This is the window, of course. We're going to have another window here, bigger window. And this wall is going to have no window. But look, it's the beginning stages. I brace it all in case there's any wind or anything like that. And hopefully it won't be tomorrow, because the weather's too bad, I've been told. So we're gonna have to try and do it now the next day or something like that, I think. But yeah, we've made a start. That's one wall done. I based it on this side as well, just in case. And of course, this is where the door is going to be. And do you know what? Look at it. I thought it was going to be tiny, but it's actually going to be quite big. Yeah, it's a start. Sorry, guys, I have to kind of do this because. Oh, and I had to buy a new head torch, because my old one, got broke. I was disappointed. I was so upset, because I've had that head torch for years. I used to use it for fishing and everything there, you know. But you know what? I actually like this one. This is rechargeable, this one, and it's tiny. Can I show you? I probably can't. But yeah, it's way smaller than the other one. So yeah, I need to bridge this wall now. The next day. I won't do it today now because I've done enough. I think I'm tired after working and doing this now as well. So the next day, what I might do is I might do the wall here facing the house, and then I'll do the wall where the door is going, and then the wall facing Loch. So yeah, catch you all soon. Bye. Hi everyone. As you can see behind me, we've got a nice day. Don't think there's no sunshine here yet. Still not that time of the year yet, but it will be shortly. It will be shining on the house now in a few more weeks. But it's still a beautiful day. I'm working on the shed again, so I'm gonna put you up there somewhere. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow you down, and you can watch me working away. I'll be right back. Sorry everyone about that. Halfway through the video, my battery went dead. I've only 16%. I've tried to charge as much as I can in the house. Why it's very slow charging today. But I've used up all my timber. I thought I had enough for the rafters and everything, but I don't. I barely had enough to finish the walls. I'll show you what it looks like. So that's what I've done. I know the doorway looks quite big. I might be making it smaller yet. We'll see. And that's one of the windows going here, and I'm going to have another window here. I'm thinking of getting one of those the plastic polystyrene, you know, the thick stuff, and put it all along here, and you can get like sheets at work, and I'm going to put it in the window and just have it. It'll be fine out. It's only a shed, like. So, and yeah, like I said, I know it looks way too wide for me. I might actually make it smaller again. I might even strengthen these timbers with another stick on it, just, you know, to strengthen it more. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. I've just been working out the rafters, or what kind of a pitch I'm going to put on it. Now, I was first going to do a 45, but then I was thinking, I don't want something that the wind is going to be able to catch easy, you know. So I thought, no, I won't make it 45. I'll make it 30 degrees instead, which means I'll be able to get more out of my 4x2s. Yeah, I'm chuffed with that. What time is it now? It's quarter to 4 at the moment, and you know, I wasn't all day at it. Like, I started kind of around 12 o'clock. It's only taken me like 2 hours maybe to do it. So I know I had this one already done, but I think it's not too bad, because I was trying to work out how I'm gonna do it with the bit of timber I have. Look, like, as you can see here, I had to use up what I had, you see. So there was cut-offs there that were left off, and I was like, right, I'll lose them up. Same with there now and over there. So look, it's grand, you know. Gonna brace it as well, because I'll need to with the wind that blows through here. I'm gonna brace this on this way, and maybe on this way, but I'm not too worried about this way, because I'm thinking of putting a lean-to shed on this side as well. It'll all hold it together at the lean-to, so I can put timber in this area, you know. I'll have my timber stored here, and it can be drying away and all that kind of after cutting it. But yeah, I'm chuffed now. I know I probably could have put another window here, but I just thought, look, this is the side that all the wind goes at, right? So it needs to be strong. So that's why I put so much timbers in it. You know, it's a shed. Most of the time, people would only go like every second raft joist kind of. But I've gone the whole lot, because I thought there's a lot more wind going to be blowing up here. I'm also thinking of maybe strapping it down with strapping, just for extra strength. We'll see now. I'm going to bridge it all as well eventually. But yeah, I'm happy how long that took. It didn't take me long. And there's plenty of height, you know. I'm not going to hit my head getting in. Yeah, chuffed with that. I'm going to put a little bench over on this side as well, just along here. So I can be looking out the window, spying on the neighbours, seeing who's going by. Yeah, I've worked it out that the rafters, I'll probably be able to get four rafters off one stick. So you know, I probably need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because of the gables as well. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. We'll get 5 sticks for now, and that should do me. We'll see how we get on with them. Yeah, I'm looking forward to next week to do that. I'll see about putting on joists. You know, and you can store stuff up high as well. You know, I can always do that afterwards. Once the roof is on, I can do that anytime. But, yeah, right. I'm going to do some more chores around the farm. Animals are fed. It's so much food. So I've got bits and pieces to do what I must do now next. And then I can put my feet up and watch something on TV when it gets dark. I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day. Big anyway. I must do a few things around the farm and that's it. Anyway, see you all soon. Bye.